Hi, my name is Reddy. My registration number is UR15CS291. This is my eighth experiment in C++ lab. The aim of this experiment is create a class polygon contains data members width and height, and public method set the value to assign the values to width and height. Here class triangle, rectangle and triangle are inherited from the polygon class. Both the classes contain public method calculated area to calculate the area of the triangle. Use the base class pointer to access the derived class and show the area calculated. Now this is the program. The standard header files and library files are given. Here I have created a base class called polygon. In the protected, I have given two variables as it mentioned the question as width and height, and in the question it is mentioned that assign width and height to variables, and here as I mentioned I assign width is equal width to a and height to b, and here I used a function in public class called set values for a and b for assigning. Here I have derived using the base class polygon. Here I derived two classes, namely rectangle and class triangle. And in here in the public polygon, which point the public polygon, we can call this as a virtual function. In the public, have used an calculated area to calculate the area of the rectangle. Here written width into height, and here I have used a class called triangle for calculating the area of triangle, and it returns the value width and height by 2 as the area of, for the triangle is width into height by 2, and this is the main function. Here I have used declared rectangle as r1 and triangle as t1. Here polygon pointer polygon is equal to which it is used to store the address of rectangle, and here the poly2 is used to store the address of triangle, and poly1 point arrow set values 4 comma 5. It means that these values resemble a and b, which goes like this as a for 4 and b value is 5. It means it goes to the function here and calculates the width into height, and this value poly2 pointer set values 6 comma 5. In the same way here a value resembles 6 and b value. These are the these values are used to call the polygon areas for either for rectangle and triangle area, for calculating both rectangle and triangle area. And the CO2 statement is given to print the value, the address and the values of area of both triangle and rectangle. And let me run the program. Here when we see according to the formula, here we have used values 4 and 5. When we go here 4 resembles 4 here 4 into 5, then we will get 20, and when we see in the output we got 20. And in the same way rectangle width into height, here we have used 6 into 5, 5 6 30, and when it get divided by 2 it gets 15 and it got written. Thank you.